Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be showing you what upgrades I have added to my robotic car to the bottom, top and camera part. Let's get into it. So firstly, as you see, the bottom part, I have removed the two batteries that were here. I also removed some wires. I removed the pogo pins here. So now you might be wondering what it's communicating on. And on the bottom side, I have this ESP32C3 that I can actually take out and reprogram if I want. I have these pins that go to the L298N motor driver, and the power is coming from it as well. So this one actually communicates with the one right here. So this is the top part plus the ESP32 cam, which I can take out. And I also removed the pogo pins from here, so now it doesn't require to be put together as you saw in the beginning of the video. I also removed the level shifter right here and changed some things. Now you might be wondering what this board right here is. Remember the video that I did on the sensor board with the GPS MPU 6050 and other sensors? Well, now it's right here, and this is its antenna, so it can actually triangulate its signal and find the GPS location. Now you might wonder, how do I get power to the top part without the pogo pins? Well, here comes this LiPo battery, which is 600 milliamp hours, with this charging port, which is 2 amps, and I just connected the battery. Here I have a switch which I can turn on, and when it loads, the blue LED goes out, and now I can actually use it. Everything else is the same except for this board, and now I have a couple of free pins here, which means I'm going to add a couple of more sensors in a future video. Adding on to that, also I'm going to be doing a new project which is included in this car, which you can expect in about a month. So I will be making a new top part from right here. Here it is. So we have the ESP cam will go here. Here we'll have something that you will see when I'm making this video. So this is a little sneak peek, and that is going to also snap onto here. It is going to be controlled by the ESP32, and it's going to communicate by ESP now. So that's it for my current upgrades for these two parts. Now let me show you the ESP32 cam. So also now I have added a battery here, a switch here, and batteries running to the camera. Now you might be wondering why I still have pogo pins. So the pogo pins are for the servos and the servo signals. So the battery here only powers the ESP32 because it draws too much power, so the servos are powered from the top part. And that is basically it for now. In the future I'll be adding some other parts. You can see all of the removed wires, the pogo pins, the wires and everything. And here is a little sneak peek of another project that will soon be on my channel. So that's it guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.